How to fix Binance is not available in your country or region. This process is very easy. So if you're encountering this problem while downloading Binance app on your phone, if you're using an Apple phone, all you have to do first is just go directly to your Apple ID, and by there you just have to change your country or region to USA. So it's actually anywhere from the US. Now, if you're using an Android device, there is actually no options for you just to change your current country or region to a certain country that Binance is available. Then all you have to do is just to use any preferred or a reliable VPN from your phone. If you're also using Binance on your PC, then you just have to use any reliable VPN. So I believe that's the last resort that you can do for you to be able to fix Binance is not available in your country or region.